Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're here, it means you're ready to take a big step towards your dreams and goals. Congratulations on having the courage to take control of your academic life and seek knowledge to transform your future. We know that studying can sometimes seem daunting, but it is one of the most exciting and rewarding activities you can undertake. Every day of study is an opportunity to unravel mysteries, expand horizons, and discover new paths. And as you learn and grow, your confidence in yourself and your future also grows. No matter what field you want to excel in, studying is essential to success. And it's not just about memorizing facts and figures, but understanding complex concepts and developing skills that can be applied in various areas of your life. However, we know that often difficulty arises when you are not prepared enough, when there is a lack of application of what has been learned, or when there is a lack of perseverance. That's why it's important to remember that the study journey is a journey of self-discovery, and you are investing in yourself and your future. To make studying more efficient and enjoyable, it is essential to find ways to connect with the material and apply it in real-life situations. And that's exactly what we're here to help you do on our YouTube channel. There, you will find inspiring and informative videos on how to make studying more efficient and enjoyable. From tips on how to memorize content better to guidance on how to deal with anxiety during exams, we are here to help you reach your full potential. Don't worry, you are not alone on this journey. There are many resources available to help you along the way: teachers, tutors, classmates, and a multitude of online tools. In addition, you can be part of a community of students seeking to achieve their maximum potential. Remember that studying doesn't have to be boring or tedious. You can make it fun and interesting, and we're here to help you do just that. So, subscribe to our YouTube channel and start transforming your academic life today. And if you really want to achieve your goals, remember that difficulty exists because you have not yet mastered the knowledge, have not yet reached understanding, or have not practiced enough. Learning is a journey that takes time and requires dedication, but the reward is incomparable. So go ahead, dive into your studies, and discover a world of possibilities. You are capable of achieving everything you desire, and studying is the key to opening the doors to an incredible future. Always remember that you are capable of everything you set out to do, and we are here to help you every step of the way. Thank you for following us, and we wish you all the success on your journey. Remember that studying is not only a way to achieve goals, but also a way to enrich your mind and expand your understanding of the world around you. Keep your curiosity and desire to learn alive, because it is through education that we can create a better future for everyone. Good luck and move forward with confidence.